अभी 3% है।
To one and all present here, we are absolutely and immensely delighted to witness such a ascendant mass of audience with us today.
Ladakh de nasjal chujal askyot ni mimang langyas yagar gelsa New Delhi na yotka ne loptok langyas changmala nga spalji nangmo nang nge thopa
Simon Nasar,
ngiske choks ne changmala losala tashi delex yang changmala jule salam ona tene losar skola juna losa boni ngati kangchan Himalayan rizgyok se na sisho lote no dimbarang ona losa boni pot jawa tangpe na sisho lote ino inskyang ngati gyalsha sina makthap jik jungste tene gyalpo jamyang nam gyala magla skyot goste kave jaste tene losar bo ngati jawa chukshik penal sin yote no te lamluk sholbo tene darungang yodin inok yang chinchat la zaches inok
Ladakh Student Welfare Society, Delhi, is a registered non-profit, non-governmental, non-sectarian welfare society under the Society Registration Act 21 of 1860, run by the Ladakhi students studying in Delhi, which was established in 1975. Over the past 44 years, from the day of its inception, we have managed to transform this most welfare society for the collective welfare of the students studying in Delhi and the Culture Preservation Center. Apart from it, LSWSD has been always providing essential help to the poor and the needy patient coming from Ladakh for the treatment at the major hospitals in Delhi like AIIMS. LSWSD has been proactively involved in cultural, religious, and social welfare programs through the annual day events, seminars and dialogue, cultural festivals, and participating in various national and international festivals promoting the rich Himalayan cultural heritage.
Tene talone phala Ladakh loptuk phandet sokspe spospe tamsum juste digrim somajik gozuk chwazate in kave mikji bo chichok sena khak soso ne chaglas gangshan zatkan spean nenches chan skadak chan mimang nang chokspa gulna miksale Ladakh se pomogune spospe yarskat zache sefia is spospe tamsum jua yukane jalcha di digrim bo gozuk chwazate inok
Pospe Tamsun, a 3 words of motivation, is an initiative of LSWSD with the goal of raising the aspirations of young Ladakh. It is a platform that covers a wide array of subjects with speakers from every conceivable backgrounds, including entrepreneurship, public policy, sports, entertainment, and social initiatives. Our goal is to find and bring together the most inspiring stories of Ladakh and the Himalayan region to emphasize on their struggles, pain, and hardship. Also, to cover the journey of an individual or society to success in order to foster learning, inspiration, and wonder and provoke conservation in that matters.
Druk amitabe juskani tsunma langyas, miksale tene kunfu langyas changma la ngaja ladak lopthuk changme choksne tene nging takpane gasu juin. Drugami taba kungfu tsunma gune ladak shikpo manpa Himalayan Redwood nangkuga chaklas gangshan mangpo jigzate miksale pomo gune wangcha nang delte chaklas ma gangshan jigzate no. Teo manpa tene kungfu nanse skola juna ning juste chaches met mangpek tus malena nge tene drug amitaba kungfu tsunma langyas diding I spospe tamsume degree mena thushes langing takpane gasu juin.
Not all Buddhists sit on the meditation cushion. Movement is stirring in the Himalayas as a group of young nuns from the Drukpa lineage of Buddhism have adopted Kung Fu as a way to build strength while championing gender equality as the region faces modernization. Breaking a centuries-long social order, these nuns have become an example of kindness in its fiercest form, empowering themselves and others to truly serve others. As champions of equality and environmentalism, these young women are known for their epic arts of service. The recent 5,200-mile bicycle yatra for peace from Nepal to Ladakh, India, took over 3 months, and they stopped in hundreds of villages for environmental education and to speak out against human trafficking. In 2015, they famously refused evacuation after the Nepal earthquakes to deliver relief aid on foot to regions neglected because of their proximity to landslide zones. They also run free health clinics, rescue injured animals, and have now manually removed thousands of pounds of plastic litter from across the Himalayas and India. These nuns began learning Kung Fu as a way to promote self-defense to the young girls in their communities. Violence against women is rarely reported. They are now adept in weaponry and hand-to-hand combat, and their exhibitions are so well loved. They now draw hundreds of thousands of spectators to their performances. Kung Fu nuns is now a household name in many Himalayan regions. Today, there are over 700 Drukpa nuns with a long wait list of women and girls wishing to join their ranks. In October 2019, Asia Society New York awarded the Drukpa nuns with the prestigious Asia Game Changer Award for their extraordinary acts of service that are changing the face of the Himalayas. To elaborate you more on the Kung Fu nuns, we will now be showing you a short video clip of the acceptance speech by Jigme Kunchok Lamo at the Asia Society Game Changer Award 2019 in New York.
Good evening, everyone. Namaste. It gives us immense pleasure to receive this award on behalf of the Drukpa Kung Fu nuns. We would like to thank Asia Society for recognizing us and presenting us this prestigious Game Changers Award. There are so many deserving candidates out in the world, and we are so much honored to be here tonight. We are really happy to share the stage with all these inspiring women and path-breaking women from all around the world. I would like to, first of all, thank our root guru, our spiritual master, the Gyalwang Drukpa, for giving us the opportunity to become the Kung Fu nuns, and not just changing and impacting ourselves, but impacting the community around us. We do not believe in empowering women as a term means giving power or passing the power down. We believe in awakening the power that every woman has in them. We believe that every woman has a specialty in their own ways. And this award is a recognition of our beliefs. May more women and girls around the world realize that power is ours and it's not something given by others. It is ours to own. Everyone says that we should change the world, but we are the change. We believe no one is coming to save us. We believe to be our own heroes. I also want to thank all my Dharma sisters and brothers who have been there in all the ups and downs we have faced in our journey, and always being there for inspiring and encouraging each other to never give up. The one thing that's common in all the Drukpa Kung Fu nuns is helping others is our religion. Thank you.
Tening juwa in chunma jingmed mengyur palmo dang chunma jingmed sing chorol niskala kartek seka juste teni is prospes tamsumeka chik sume goche chikzat.
July tsangmala teni ngimia jimi sring chorol zirshile ngala da shamchok nein teni tsangma sangala teni tiringa jaika inward jokan teni Delhi la da loptuk chokpe teni nga jaika inward jojas bola tsangmala nging dang bana thuji che junle teni dedang nyambo talan nga dang ika ta ladas memba teni chokjan mangbonas kyotkani skundon pam mangbo jijutu teni tsangmala ika ta nga te ladaksi losar la zomjes bola teni ma tashis bestendelino teni tsangma ika zomjes bola nging tak bana nga te ladaksi losar la tsangmala tashis dele junle
Jule teni ngimia jingme mingyur palmo shuchelle teni ngija tsangma thukyu sino ki ngaja daksa bi mangpojik internationally ngaja kungfu nan zete daksa sorin yoten ole teni ngija gunyang khachi thugongs la yoche duki kungfu nan malab sirf kungfu choste juk sathala tizuk shikman ole chezina nganme tusla ina chunpa in shik halale Ritot la dims te chosa din duk na ta malab temshi daksa social work chok se choje se temshi zarurat meteno de daksa 21st century nang kwa ta ngaje chunma ji choste shadaks te lus gyurte mingyurte chose nang ko juks no halal tene janphan chojes bo ngaje lengen se nang minu ngaje duty chokshi no halal tene te song bata 21st century nang kwa chos chikpo choste dukches man bata dembe nang social work nang kwa humanitarian social work changme nang kwa lashuna chos nang jiksten niske nang kwa chawalam du mangpo ji yongche duk samde ngaji daksa ngija guna thugju sino compassion into actions te ngaji ilas chen yutnole tenang kwa ngaji kungfu jang no halal kungfu jang ste self defense program Himalayan Ladakh senang kwang thang sum jijik jostin pin tene yang Delhi zechos Nepal ngajara anaru mangpoji khaks la ngaje self defense training tadle teman bangaje pad yatra cycle yatra animal rescue earthquake inangwa 2015 in Ladakh inangwa earthquake chenmo jong skate zanya ngaje social work relief work mangpoji jospinle tena josla tene cleaning camping ngaje every Saturday jo tene ichangma ngaje ngadang churoleng iske rere na rere joste oto jipsal joste ngisha ngothot zadin tene I las kunjo chese reason chinok tene chie jochen tene daksi I 21st century nangwa I las changma chona chamjik phantos yotsekan diri ngajang iskai ka yongste invite zaches la thukje che tene ngajang daksa spospe tam sumjete I digrim zatena ngaja kungfu nanse ngaje tam khachik zer tingija gunang day to day life enang kwa chapishik phantok siyon tene ngija gunang chapishik ngatang sujigin na yale ngije nang kwang education juteno tene ngaje nang changme nang kwa mijin phalarang so education re yoteno tyo ngati share chona khato phanchun niskala rocks mangpojik chaje duk samde tifi ngajai ka jalten tene ngaje jukan changmangi sha shait chapishik rerejik thang sperachik phantok sonang Magyala inok samarale tene ngaje rere na rere shuin tene churol le daksa kungfu skorla chi jangsten yang ote jaste chi benefits yote skorla kong ejuse chinole
tene sangma sangela ngi zukko ta kungfu jang rak pangaje halale kungfu jang chasi gyumsan bojin tene kungfu jang se chamshik ta phantos duk tene manja ngala gazuk shiyot pin tene tes ko langa jara experience pota salpo chu se junle Tini tangpo kurang aja ta kungfu jang seni ta izuk ta samloji ta mit bayin nang ta dezo gomang aja ri gunpa ta Vietnam pa chunma khashi yut pin tini khong dezo ta kungfu zo zeruk pin le tini ngaji ang ta dezana thugu songpa sana tini kungfu nyambo jang pin tini lama rimbo chi sang tini kija kungfu jang na maung pa ta phan tokshi du kija ang ta tini ta chi sangma gyala yong chi duk khong thuwa gong se tini ngaja kungfu jang cha si tini koskap nang se teni tegana phala teni ngaja izuko ta kungfu jang teni kungfu manja sangan la teni ta mi chen mo suji thungna mi ji thungna teni lashi joje na chi na ra ta zerma to philwa ina dulma yan teni jiksin sapsin ji confidence met pasana pat izuk lashik mangbo ji tuba minu pinyale teni ta sai kungfu jang bana phala mi espera tangji ji na phala espera tangji ji na da teni ta rang jikbo jik chana garu chana spena ngaja sekal yatra ta no teni pati yatra ta no te zana ngaji ta angos diwa chago sanok pale sabji di zungyo teni chitong ta damin da biano teni te zana ngaja ta rang jikbo chana teni confidence ji yong ara jikshi sabshi zo yo mara chi zana ra ta kungfu jikshi spana phala teni te dang nyam bu teni ngaja ta chospa jigin chunma jigin bana phala meditation jang tang go sono teni meditation tang cha la lose thang po minga ta sema ki po mena tiang las lamo nyam bo tang nyana manole teni te songpa sana ngata teni kungfu ji gyala ji jang se teni lusal ji jang se na teni ngata thun bun tang sana teni pena dak sanga jan naro chutui dangwang nyang nin jun ta ino teni te sangma ma phantok chin mu ji kya teni ta zupwang phantok sano semang phantok sano te dang nyam bo las ji ji chona las ta tupshuk yong anole teni te songpa sana teni lol takpar ngaja 2018 jina 17 na phala teni lada self defense soksha se teni azuk ta azuk self defense hospital teni te dang te me main ba yang teni e delhi yang teni ngaje azuk kungfu training mang bo tang spin teni khong lang teni ngaje ta sngal lang ngaje izuk shu pin teni tarungin sngal lang ngaje izuk shu pin teni ta pospa met kan zo teni ta mi chelmo sang yam bospera tang main kan teni diamond de izuk yon pin teni ngaja ta izuk phanji thona teni khong la yang izuk ta ngaja phanji thoksena samse teni lol takpar ngaja I lada self defense sokse teni khong ngaja izuk kungfu training mang bo tang spin le teni kungfu jang go shaso ma khachan ji no samaragle
teni nija guna thugyusno ki nganma ina ngaja kungfu jami kya I changma chami kya halale teni te zane ngari experience se thone shuna dangpo nga chun yot zane nga hamesha thelkan jik teni mi guna spera tangcha chapkan jik yot pinale teni izuk principal gun teachers gun annual exam में final exam में report card गया बड़िया पिंकी खुरा पोमो वो स्पेरा तंगो शिदुक she should speak से ते हमेशा डिस्ट्रिक्ट पिन रिमा केगा तिनिंगा मरसा यारगेस माउशे जना ते जने लद्दाख से नंको दक्सा डांस से प्रोग्राम युत क्या याले डांस लावा मिनल ओते तिने क्रिकेट से चेस टूर्नामेंट आइस हॉकी ते संगमा मेट पासंग chance mathop chisi jaste ngatang philo bing yana minole chamsing ngatang activities kuna join cham singati mi changma nya po interact mangpo chen communication mangpo chen tem singati confidence badai chachis te jok senang ko mangpo joko yarge song do tene nga I kung fu jang sisting ne physically mentally ngiske nang ko nga khatpar mangpo ji thong yale tene tenna kung fu wo sait nga je fia चीज़ नोक्ता activities संगमे नंगने इसको पोकुंफी just ngaja baki activities जो चीज़ नंगवा इसको sports पास के नाता confidence संगमा इकुंफी just in समारंगे तायले जैसे दक्सा ngaja pati yatra cycle yatra guna chazanyang nganma ngaja pati yatra chusane te jane kungfu nganma jane met pinele te jane physically yang strong met kanjik mentally yang atang ekdam jinang ko give up chokan je halal ngati last chi ji nata kaxpo jik mane lamo jik mane metno tene ote kaxpo ji thonjina po su jik nang ta kaxpo ranga isting ningen che merak samste phangs nang dole te mi phang ches via ta daksa kungfu ji na kungfu jang chi sang izam lamo jik met kya gele zu kaxpo kya tenang kwa shuk mangpo chano physically mentally pura chundus mangpo chosan hala ote mangpo choche se jaste tene daksa ngaya cycle yatra pati yatra zare chazanyang te zanyang semshuk sketches po ote kane khyat percentage yon dugle ngatang physically strong yot pa tene mentally ngatang strong chadole tene pati yatra zanyang ngaja chame sang ringmo zenata I karja ne tang ste sanskar gyute ngaja himis la songsten pille te zane shingkung la zete la chenmo ji gap sen pin te zane ngaja lam ngaja chosh chunjang tene mi guna plastic use macho zete te zane chunpa yot pin tene mimas mangpo jang yot pin shet nija yodamit nga temshi patame diale par te zane nga ja khoryuk changma bor zete te zane nga chaklas zadat pin lamarim buching yam bohalal tene o zane nga ja thongki Himalayan rigyu de nangwa plastic bottles plastic e shugu chips zakane shugu mangpo phang song duk pin te zane nga chunin pin isang ma chia tus tin sekan bo nga tem shik patamit pin yale chezna changma tu pin sirf ngang tu sa pin te zane patamit che se jaste usuk song ta kulia nga ja o changma chua china po te zane Himalayan rigyu de nga je changma chia chus min zeka nga zote ha gora chezna water source sangma pura Himalayan rigyu ne pura yong sunale Himalayan khatang tene kang song tene chu changma yoga yon china po ngati khatok ne changma maburna chu yon china po chu na plastic song kachra song te changma cha china po semchan in shik ngatang ram mi changmang ngatang mi mang changmang chu ne kane dona nole kaltis ngati ri changma borin ngatang Himalayan rigud Ladakh spa changma lengen ni no halale ki ri changma borin tene chu changma yoga yon china po changma thung chu changma tene khams debo tene semchen nang nochkel mangpo je shkala mino te song basang ozane nga je kimsa mangpo jik collect jo se reason bo oto in suk se te nga zo te jik hago yale te zan nga chunin bin tene tena chosla nga je pat yatrang mangpo jik chuen yotno daksa nga je cycle yatra ka shuk mangpo jik gap seno halal cycle yatra shuk gap ches bang izugi nole zo nga je cycle la zo promote jo ches halal chezna mi mangpo ji cycle bo in zer na ka to mi kawa gadi me kawa izuko dosong mang potang yana mitegune cycle chula no zerkanjik shayad idea dimag na yot pasang ta cycle bo promote choices bo ma khakchan duk samte ngai lamari muche kyabgun dupari muche khongram peps te cycle sala no nyampo ngaja gunang cycle lotina mang potang shezele tini chikta cycle promote choices no nispa ngai chunma mangpo ji otenang kwa cycle shulte chachina po mi gunyang pomu gunyang id na yong duki wa I sangma chunma ino jiksten phangse choshogan tena yang cycle shulte changen du izam kilometer mangpo cover chungen du tene chia khone chuna ngata chia mian je kane chabshi idea yong dole tefia ngaje odefia promote chuchen chezena ngati Ladakh seta tezam yoda met par philo mi mangpo ji human trafficking zakan bo chadole the human trafficking bo chia chachina po pomo gunawa chongches philo yul mangpo je chonga no te chongches reason bo khorang pome last chang cho thuwa mano pomo borna ngati waste of money no chang education jitang na jashi shadi choste chanok te ne chang khampa yongo yamano zarkanji mindset ina tukshi yotenole te song basang kaltes pomo gun khatwa yong na rarang so shuk gaps te yong sti chi sangma la shuna tene phama gun yang samano ki ha I pomo wo ngati income chokanin tukshi yomnole mindset ina gwa ki ta pomo gun chang use betkyak why should we sell others tina uzuk hi mangpo ji chadwale Ladakh sena ta yun ni nok tena yang philo yul mangpo ji o chok se problem yot basang tene ngaje ozuk shikcho na kato tene mangpo ji phantok thopji duk pomo mangpo ji inspire songs de tekane mi mangpo ji phantok thopje duk samste ote motivate khurte ngaje cycle mangpo ji tang sten pille tene sumpa wo ngaje karu chana ngaje khuryuk changma borgo sanok media through social media through ngaje spirata tene community guneka school in shik tene community guna ngaje zooms de alal mi guna khonya ngaje ti du ki chin I rally choche se matlab chin kia gun izuk miles and miles chia izuk cycle tangsten chi I uskit po choche se fiana I reason chin zete khonya ngaje ti du galale te zane ngaje zerat ki izuk reason jaste ngaje isangma choste in ngaja chosho kanjin tene ngaje janphan chokanin janphan choche se matlab isok se nang ko chogo shi duk khakchan duk zete ngaje khona message po thoda chinang khonang idea yong du ki ha khas khora ozuk chogo shi nok zete tene ngaja Kathmandu ne Ladakh ayong zane almost dawasum ji gor sele tenang kwa chatpa dukpin charpa tang dukpin jaga khachi kata ma tangmo dukpin khachi ka thalba dukpin khachi ka bihar guna cham ji sokpo minu nija thugyu tenanga je ote challenging thangma accept choste tenanga je zuk choste chizanota tharkel choste ngai Ladakh chupa lepsen pinele tenang ne story chik ngari story chik share chona ngaja Ladakh ne Kathmandu ne Ladakh chupa yong zane ta pura chunma inok palal mangcha chunma inok line chik choste ngai khatoa jakshe indo yoga babshe indo tene traffic tene highway changme kana ngai chachina po tenang kwa traffic control chokane mi gos dole tezani traffic control chokana ngai minda chonga yot pin ngai chunma rang yot pin chezena ngaje mi guna eastern chen pin ki chi jik chona ngatang ra chogosan halale suji ka depend dukches po nam chupe depend du janme ka rangrang sue kampe ka rang so lang thumna chi sangma chunga nano ta ngaje zerna ki janma guna ngatang ra ngajara izuk machua ngajara songs de machua janma guna kungfu jango sano padyatra chogo sano cycle tango sano ye wo zerna ka to khor semla babshi manwale namji chupe ngatang ra chosti mistan ngatang ra kangal bardo chosti stan mistan tu subi miguna hago chimano tinna kale gaps te tene miguna migune dulla songs te darthoches ngai zeramit ki ngai ja gune I chosti sting ne alale pura zamling pura ngai je chen shun zete manele I chosti na mi rere phantok na ngis phantok na teo phantok shi yong bas tene kane ngai je phantok shi chana samde motivate khorang onna woin pin tifya ngai ja o changma chwa diale tene tezane traffic chozane ngaja bardo mangpo khachi kangpa phogdu khachi goa phogdu khachi lakpa phogdu yale yang phogon yang barbare geldu barbare serious injury chaduk tezane ngaja gari na tangste mencho chwen yang chat yongche manale malab chijig la shuna ngati chinte je kangal bardo ji thwa jina oto gap la mapha oto ya kazui face chogo shidu problem bo kazui face chogo shidu zete dunla big na kato dubdas bing duk zekan bo nga hagwara gi tene ote gun ngija guna shet ngaji ispera share chosi ngija guna chebik thuksla idea jik pheba do samste rever rakle
tene te dang nyambo ngaja ta cycle yatra zara zo padyatra zara zo tizo mangbo chano payale tene te chazane tene lama ta simjin raminda thondu tene ki zara zo tene bila to tene raminda thondu tene te sama ngaja duzi kyonse tene te manjo jose pena ladai juskan tangi ja mangcha ladak pa juksno pa tene ki sama mi ta so khaji Sri Lanka na kyons khaji Odisha na khaji ta yagar na Bihar na raminda na kyons pa tene ki khorang mula ming ta se Sri Lanka Odisha sinchi sangmala ming ta so le tene animal rescue la sangcho dia le tene pena ngaja ta odi chok sangma chazana tene simjan pura kyons ta balang bungbu mangbo yole ngaji gomba taksa tene pat zu sok son so taksa zu gomba yale simjan mangbo bore tene te sama tanga de langanji no samara tene simjan ang mangbo tene shonskop jose bore le tene temen ba tene ngaja yang azuko 2015 na sayom samgulyons kano palel tene te zana ngaja ta majita NGO mangbo sita Nepal rogram tangkan mangbo yons ka tene ngaji anta lungba kukyok sangma ha manggo kan sangma te sangma song se tene ngaji khonga ta ya to jospin le tene te samgulyons zana tene ngaja tangpodang ngajarang khorang duksa gyala mitpin tene ta jigriang yotpin tene changma ta izug yotpana tene philo mi changma ta skitpo minupin khoma dukpo dukpinale tene ngaja te ngajarang dukpo yonna philo mi changma samse tene gaung sama song se tene pura ta Russian dang je so train dang se tene tarpal keche so dizuk mangbo song mile tene te dang nyampo tene yang Nepali azuk sokspa jepin bale khoi thu changma ngaji ngala tang
youth
sokspa zinchi kuma khong sameng ngaja ta izuk tangma juk jano bangaji gombe thakor na de sangma sangma jusana pat chokbo pinyale khong sangma chi jano izuk junduk se chosma jo izuk jose ta zinchi khata pindini tertina ma thu sangma gyala songse dene khong sangma ja ya to gyala jo dene samgulyon zana dene tizuk ta pharbalanga ta ngaja hapte na sangma janok pale te zana khong sangma ta khoi main la chen songse dene ngaja izuk ya to gyala chut pindini ta ngaja izuk shi chona dene mi jan la phan thos na ma ta gyala duk samse dene khong andaksa gyala gyure ngaja izuk la chu chala ya to jonang le
tena chosla tene nganma ngaji changma chosene halale chezina khuryuk changma borches bo ma khakchani noksete daksa NGO mangpo jang sera nok tene scientist gunyang zerte no ki ngati khuryuk changma borches bo plastic mun choches bo ma khakchani noksete par kule process bo duli nyo tenale te songba daksa ngaji swayambunat stupa zete rangjun chorten justim dal zuga Nepal ale tene ote khuryuga ngaja every Saturday ngaje oteka khuryuk changma chola ngaja mingnang amitaba ne babs te yoga chat pinale lo khachik songsta uti camping bo chukste tene first ka ngai changma chosane mi mangpo jenga ja khatangski kija che bingsten kija gun chosh de madwa I yoga yongste kachra changma duste chi chosten reason chinze te yongchonale shik mathat kan zoksla nga ja guna kimsa tu kan zoshik zete nga ja ming ji taksans den nga je ta nga je reason bo I activity shi chu nga je reason bo phanji thokna samse nga ja oteka songs te charpa tang nang chante yong nang chik nang skom nang nga ja oteka songs te chos no payale teni chos te gome ka tanga diring zupo hafta wo changma chuna next hafta chajina yang teka kimsa spung syong do pinale tene hamesha chun jang banching ne migunang hagodo ki ha I changma borches pang khakchan ji inok zete tene kule nganmata criticize mangpo yongzele tene testing ne kule ame ama chokspa zete ngati Ladakh side kan choksla ru Nepal andu tene ote ama chokspa ze kan migun yongste tene Nepal army jung ne khorang ne mi yongste ngajang po chize chinta partnership choksla barbare yongste yato joste mi mangpo dushukste mi guna katha choste ngati message gun thochuk che salale khuriuk changma borna daksa mi mangpo ji isuk yongdole bottle ji use do shopia chachina plastic khondo ngati nochial scalen setenang mind na te mitkyak papar gap ne khorang ngati plastic ready use chachina po chamjik khuriuk la no da jekan bo ngata temshik jipsal choste mathongs pasang ngata temshik notice ma jono halan chezina daksa gijagun social media na zix do ki chui nang kwa chamjik nya shi du khala plastic na khatte nya chamji shemiro balangune thuju nya po plastic na thuju gangs te phangs pasang tene semjan hala chang ha magos pa te plastic sangma za china tene nangkwa gyuma changmena khat tene semjan sangma shi tene ochok se naks bardo thwa china po ta ngata plastic nyun use choches po zaruri tuk zerkan bo hago dole chezina ta daksa ngaji I last chi chuna ta chosluk ewa mete zete ngati ngaji chuanok pala chosluk ewa met kan chezina plastic je duna ngati choslu hisab se chostima nok pala plastic chi ngati duwa china po khuriuk changma khuriuk global ngatang global citizen jino hala ngatang beshak India pa Indo Nepal pa Indo kangos pa innam ta dukches ta global chikchi na duksno pa kalte jamling bokharang metkan chana ngatang kar dun duksa metnole te songpa ngatang global citizen jino tene chi jikcho na ngatang changme shuk gya ba china po ine yang chi shuk gyop tene banching ne changme mind na kwa dembe na isok choches khakchan duk zera jina ten changme fias kit po jong chimanale te sok songpa sangta I changma choches po khakchan duk samara tene ngaja cleaning camping chozania first ega ngaja chunma ji song pasang ngaja mangpo jikta educate metkyak pata malabang chunale school guna na izuk chanok sete pura details anopa ngaja sif plastic duches mane te wo kazuk shia recycle chuchen te plastic gun duste chi chogoshen zeg nga pata metpin tene sting ne doko sete soko Nepal adukpin tene khone special khone team je ngaja kalte halale ngaja ngepo kija guni isam lash choni choduk tachia ivo kazuge recycle chuchen te detail chi kija brief choste shatna te gu kia phantok chano samste zete khon special khone team ji khongste ngaja lab sala ki is kampo gun tene I changma recycle chanok I changma recycle chamano tene I changma ngati izuk choste chala I chonya nanok zete khone pura gypsal molazat tene te song pasang ngaja hagodole malab ki yontanchi ji dangatang share chogoshes poma khakchan duk samara tene organic NGO zete yang chikchigyo deyale tio nganma ngaje amitaba gumpa yang khaji lus dole ngati chokspa ji chuknang barbaria kathi dinro barbaria kalop kawang tayong chimanale karuina function ji joshik occasion ji kanta chugin deteno tejan ngata kharji mangpolus dole mangpolus achi nangati karu phain ta tio thuchu josla phangsta nani yang teka bujik tap dam de chedo dene ote songbasang organic NGO je kanji yang ngaja yongs de ngaya support joski ta I kharji waste sangmangati fertilize chogya nanok site te kane jinga ngata special चीज़ नोता fertilize म्योगो समानो ते इना वो recycle चुस्ते ngati fertilize chogya nanok site ozuge shadara te sosla ngaja shada china potine ngaja skit pe gonche manale ke ngaja izuk lashwat khonya izuk lashwat tene ngati share chona ma demo dokhala o chok yodiale tene daksa ngaji amitaba gel la yong sane ngaji pura dustbin bortyo diale otika plastic bottles kun otina phong zete tene plastic gun ngaja shopping acha china bong amitaba Nepal ashkut na to plastic khurte yong mi chok plastic khurte yong na ka to 500 fine in zete ngaji chamtup koshish chwa diale magar daksa plastic po mangpo yo che jaste dixam mangpo jik effect chamino di cham jik nyan na ngata shopping a ngija chitong tong nya shke da dote zane rana swe carry bag khurte bag nangwa thela chi ki nangis manna ta re nis gangs te bora zatna ma phantok jong dok samara yale tene otsok sa chakles za ches bo khakcha ni nok samara
Tene ngeja sama tugyuzino naksarang ika tene kons videos tana zas tene ngaja dangjirang YouTube shik October 2040 ja tene ngaja I American award chi thopsen binile tene te ta daksa ngaje ta last mangbo shik josono pala activities last mangbo josono pa tene te last show tana ngaja ta izuk award chi thobano samse ta rewa met pinba hinnang ta mi janma sama phanji thona samjik mini samlo met pin tene
tene award puang isuko chize chenta award poya le ngata award chik zera china po yongche mana ta testing ni micho ze kanji me kyak pale award chik ta china po ta ngaje last choste ta miguna ngotot thotte hala lon bo thotte ta migun impress songs de impactful last chik duk samse tene yongche mana le yarges yango mane mi mangpo ja thoches te song basang award pang tops de ngaja America guna mi mangpo ji NGO Obama Foundation te mi chenmo gune ngaja special invite chus de ngaje spera gun I choche series and daksa ngija ngai ngiske juska nangshin tene otsok sangma chi chus de choche series and chin te ngaya shot te halale khone ming na ngaja Obama Foundation te ngije san te yodo te gun NGO takpo gune ka ngaja bot te ngaja izuko phansun halale khone la sang ngaja shat ngaje la sang khona shat te tene ozuge mangpo ji ngaja interact mangpo soyale tene recently aru Drugamitaba mountain la ane Rotter University ne mi ngi siong sala mi ngi sumji gyong ste ngaja zera rapinki kija gune las chokan bo ma phantok chan nang impactful la shikchodu tene ngaja gune student guna kije ika Amitaba kyong ste kazuge education chikpo man pa I chi se education khoryuk changma borches pomogune ka pomogun yongchmanale women empowerment je kanjok yongchmana ta pomoguna kazuge spospa yergestain te changme score la ngaja juju shat na namjik time thobin ngaje student ane khongs teng kije ka khongs teng aya nyapo interact chuin tene bottle guna recycle kazu chuin chezena recently ngaje Pepsi bottle yominole ote guna ngaje ngije social media ka Facebook ka zix do samara tene ote guna ngati phangma phanga ote guna chat te hala ote nang ko plant chuks te kazuge demo decoration chuingena ochok sama chuches la ngaje khongs te kijang yam pongo thot chuchuk cherak se te khone ti rak penele tene pura Amitaba pura tour tangs te hala tene ngaje activity sangma chezena I changma ele nganma ina ngaje captar chuches potem shik ngaje chizanota tezam shik sama met pinki ta ngaje I last chat I wongati share chuen zete social media na zuk juste ngaje pat takpo jik juste pin zete present chuen ze kan bongaje sama pinche sena ngaje samchin ki bas chuen ta ngati social media na media patang che se zarurat minuk samste ngaje zuk shi samya nganla tene mi mangpo ji yongche mana ki kije last chuni chodu ta you media gune ka share chuna ka to tene mi mangpo ji idea yongste mind na change yongste khonang ngati last soksla khonang chongya na nok te mi mangpo ji ngaja chizeno labja soksang sela ngata ra shatsa yote hala tene kule ngaja igun media na tangche se sondu shoste tene ngaja daksa I pura chizeno ta captar shoste ne le daksa katin chenmo I nokta 21st century nangwa social network yoche se jaste ine last chunji chona ane last chunji chona ane chiji na ngata phanchun hago dole te song basang chiji la shuna tanga da capture ches tene gyala jigina capture na thigi nok samste tene ngaji ozu capture mangpo tang spinele tene I changma las ngija daksa juche se reason zenam ta suppose pe tam sum hala ta I we ka ngija guna chapik suppose pa skin tene ngija guna day to day life ina ngije not shell in something ngije plastic use shama nok patenang ta izuk plastic shi use chuna izam khuryuga notebook semchana notebook samste nije nyun use choche se chundu zada to samara chezina nga jara amitaba gompa zane yale nija nge chik shun tine dawa chige zu yot pille chizano program ji yot pin kepje khamtu rimbochi khonge program ji dawa chige initiation ji yot pinale te zane ngala ngaji ngaja changma meeting song ki ta chi chuen hala mi mangpo tourist philok ne mangpo yoano khone bottle khurte yoano plastic khurte yoano ta teo kazu ge shkyo bin zete tene tene ngaja kone meeting nangko meeting songs tena izuk zete spera song jaga jaga ngaje te yamino le jar bottle ngati chugin tene te dunla ngati table ka tangsle oti jaga jaga risk de borin tene changma bottle khurte yong zete ngadi announce shwen zete jezena har function ji indo शादी जिगिंडो ये माने मीटिंग जिगिंडो ची जिगिंना ngati हमेशा टेबल लेका बॉटल जी रिचेस बो ngati फैशन चोशिदो आले ते मन पा चोचे तांगती खुरियुक चांगमा बोरी ने वो जेते ngati इजुक चानोक मतलब जेर जेरानोक ते जाने दुन खोना बॉटल ड्रिक्स ते बोर्दो आले ते मन पा ngati जार ते दक्सा यमिनोले जम लिटर छिनमो चंजिक ओते ओ खोंस ते refill chuna ma te wo ma gyala do tena chuksa chun ne kane halal chun ne kane idea jipsal salna tene ozuge ngati khoryuk sculptures bo ozuk shik langan duk samara tene ta daksa ngati chose togne juna ya leta ngajarang chunma som batangi nge chose togne ngi ja chabi juna daksa ngati dikpa masa gewa chose de ngati mangpo jizerano ta suji gina for example halal ta pomo jigin do ka wo pat chizano tezam shik hampa metto tene pat introvert mangs te mangpo sons de kwa education yod nang ta te wo confidence po meda china po khoi la shik stigma mang pa society na phantok chenmo yod nang khoi hampa me che se jaste kwa ote chance ka ote seat ka lep male ba khoi yontan sama vesh chadwale ta khoi na confidence yongs do tene chisoks la phantok chenmo yongje tene daksa gedi ke score la juna ka to gewa na dik pe score la juna ka to ta sujik mane khorang introvert yodo tene side la yang group chi yodo te gune khwa bully chwa to khwa pat socha da ro tene ngati dikpang ote kane mangpo ji sak dole ta rang so confidence yodo chi gyo na ka to ane bully ang choche mano ote mi wa dikpang sak che mano den daksa ngija sangma thugi suno ki daksa nasluk mangpo skume spera mangpo jik ngija sani no teno te changmang dikpa pokche sinok balale te kaltis rana so confidence do rana so kangpe ka langya na tene khwang dikpa ma phok rana so sang te jam shikak so mas te jena last chi jik chona ngati starting ka last chwa china po yong chmanale chapi shikak po yon do mi gune criticize chwa china po ta dok nge chwa met phangs tan je kanjik te phang ma phang ko dulla bingo sano chezena ngaja isuk sane inner delhi isuk minole azad foundation zete yang otika thangchi ngaya khone bodarak pinteka pomu mangpo ji kawa makpa gune dungste onchiman le torture choose te kawo success ma chakan kawa job ma thop kan te guna special khone training tangste gadi shulche se isuk moka tang duk pinle tene otox foundation yang bongaja songs de khona ngaji self defense chapik labs de tene confidence ke jes po zaruri no se tenga khona po phanchun share juji manale otox jona tene shayad mangpo ji phantok songduk samse ngai te zanyang mangpo ji songs bin tene lodang nija thugyu sino ladakh la thang ni sumji ngai self defense jusno te reason guna ngaje ngaja chitong she takpegin ngaja professional kung fu chokanjigin samste ngaje otika songste manoyale ta sujigin nang daksa chapi shigon tan yona ta chapik share chochina potene magyala chadwale te song pasang tene ochok sangma choches bo ma khakchan duk samste ngaja chos na jiksten niska compassion into actions ete hala compassion bo ngati spera mangpo jitano ki I chogosana a chogosano ngatang rang songs te chos te tene zerna tene teo ma gyurche dwale te song pasanga je ochangma jos tene ale tene I also would like to talk little about in English. So first of all, we are from Himalayan, we both are from Ladakh and they are from Karsha. Kinori, Nepali, and other countries. So I would like to say that we are a nun, a Buddhist nun, those who always trying to give more compassion into action. So that's why in this 21st century, we thought that why don't we change our compassion into action? So that's why we thought social work and humanitarian works are so much important in this 21st century. So that's why we are doing kind of, first of all, we started with Kung Fu, and then we started giving self-defense program to the young girls. And we also do Path Yatra, cycle yatras, animal rescue, earthquake, cleaning camping, and this sorts of activities we do. The reason why we are doing this kind of activities is because that we should really need to be focused into these things, because if we only do meditation, that is not enough in this 21st century, because we should really think about our global, because our planet is in difficult, right? So because there are lots of global warmings, there are lots of animals which are getting harmed by the plastics, So that's why we should really think about, that's why we are doing this kind of things. I would like to talk a bit about Cycle Yatra. Cycle Yatra, we ride cycling miles and miles from Kathmandu, India, and so on. So why we are doing this sort of Cycle Yatra is because of promoting the cycle. And secondly, we would like to encourage girls that we as a nuns can do, why don't you can do, right? So that's why we are promoting gender equality into the young girls. Also, whenever we go, we try our best to collect all the plastic, non-biodegradable things that is so much important to collect and recycle it, because lots of animals are getting harmed by these plastics. I think you all must know better than I. So also in 2015, we had a massive earthquake in Nepal. It was 7.9, and that time lots of people are suffered a lot. Even we suffered a lot, and we stayed in a tent more than 2 years. So that time we thought that we as a nun, if we just give up and run from Kathmandu and come back to our house, then that is not a kind of big thing, because running from this situation is those people do who really can't do anything, because that time lots of people needs help, lots of people needs foodstuffs, lots of people needs shelter to live. And there are lots of NGOs which helped a lot, but in some places there was mudslides, flooding, and that types of area people doesn't like to go, because it's so risky to go there, and even some can die. So we as a nun commit that we should really go and help them. So that's why that time we had a lot of difficulties to get there and give lots of relief things to there. But finally we did it. So also recently, because of this all things, we recently received an award from New York in Game Changer Award, that is specially given to a to a 7 women from different areas, even from India, Pakistan, China, and so on. So this award we received because of our activities, I guess. We never thought that one day we will receive an award in such a big country like New York, but we had it, and after receiving this award, we thought that whatever we did, people are knowing us, people are getting inspired, so we should really not give up, and we should go on and help others. So that's why we are lots of peoples are also coming to our nunnery with media, CNN, and lots of big media people are coming and listening our stories and sharing our stories through media, and because they were also thinking that these things are really need to be shared. And today here we came with our story, so we thought that some of you inspire because of this. So I guess these things really help you in day-to-day life, and you can share with others. So thank you so much for inviting us, and behalf of all the Kung Fu nuns, I would like to thank you Ladakh Student Welfare Society for giving a chance to come here on the stage and share our stories with all lovely audience. Thank you so much. Tene ika Ladakh Student Welfare Society chokspa uskyong dang member sangmala ngaja kungfunan sangme chongne thuje shijwinle ki ngija gune izam ngaja value na po value salte ngaja important jik chua zatte ngije ka boda zatte ngaje I story na ngaje I zuk sangma sanches la ngija audience sangma thuje chejwin thuje chejule.
Thukjeche chunma jingmet mingyur palmo dang chunma jingmet siring choron ngiska la nging takpane thukjeche juin dene janyang chunma langyas diring ika thushe sefia ngaya Ladakh loptuk phande chokspe changme choksne nging takpane thukjeche.
Thank you so much for these inspiring words of yours. To summarize the talk, we have another short video on the Kung Fu nuns by the CNN, The Great Big Story. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now open for the interaction session with the Kung Fu nuns. Please feel free to ask any questions. To answer your questions, we will have Jigme Migbir Palmo and Sunme Jigme Tsering Choral on the stage.
Actually, according to nuns, usually they used to be isolated or to spend more time for meditation. This is in general. But in your case, what's the exact trigger which pushed you to start with something like this, with such activity?
You mean to say that we as a nun, why we are doing this sorts of things?
Yeah, what was the exact trigger or what pushed you for the...
Why we... Oh.
Yeah, something incentive, whatever encouraged you
Oh,
to change your traditional way, which used to focus on meditation, and to start with something which is more social.
Yeah.
And to start.
Actually, we as a nun, we became a nun to help others, right? So we thought that in this 21st century, doing social works and humanitarian works is more impactful work, more impactful than sitting in one place doing meditation, right? If I just sit in a one place doing meditation, not helping with community, not helping to collect rubbish and spreading message that these things are really needed, then what is the if I just sit, that is not that much affected if I go on community and do things, right? So that's why we thought that this is really needed. And my root guru, His Holiness the Gelwang Drukpa, encouraged me to do these things because he himself living in 21st century, and in lots of people have that kind of mindset that nuns or monks should do in one place and do meditation. So these things are really needed, that once if I know that things are really needed, then I sort of trying to do this, right? So that's why His Holiness encouraged me, and of course our nuns also encouraged that because of the unity, right? If there's a unity, then in some things I myself feeling weak, but my friends also encouraged me to do that thing. That's why we are still doing, and in future we will try to do our best.
Hello. First of all, I would like to make a that means say good morning to all of you. My question is that only a girls can be a non or a boys can also be, and what is the minimum criteria for that?
Actually, men's are bit up than girls, because in many years girls are not treated equally as men, right? So girls should really come up and do things. So that's why we are encourage girls in this situation, because we are not against man, but somehow we should really encourage girls, especially than men. So that's why we are trying our best to promote, kind of encourage girls, because if both are in equal size, then that's fine, right? If now the girls are a bit lower than men because of getting less opportunity. Because as you know that wherever we go, we say that, oh, you are a girl, you should stay back, and men are always coming in front. So that's why we are pulling girl that you should also do, you can also do, because we as a nun can do these things, then you can also do. That's why. Okay.
But there is no restrictions for boys to be or non, no? It's a society that means just encourage the girls. Yeah.
Yeah, he can. Boys can become monk, not nun, because nun is a girl, woman, and boy can become monk.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, last question. Actually, it's not a question. I would like to thank you. Actually, I'm from Egypt, and our culture is a little bit more different than you. And even in my country, for girls, sometimes they don't have the courage that you have for approaching what you really want and sacrificing almost a huge time of your life. So when I go back to my country, I will speak about you. I mean, this video was a very good performance. I mean, it's really
Thank you.
inspiring. I mean, really, I really admire you. I really admire you too much. That's very brave of you. It's like you are giving your lives for others. That's so brave, and thank you. Thank you for being in our lives.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Ahmed Shoaib from Afghanistan. First of all, I want to say hello and good morning to everyone. I have some question for you. First of all, how many % of the girls from your area became nuns, and what are the factors and reasons that they became nuns, and how your social activities are accepted in your, society? And also there are lots of sport, but you do Kung Fu. What are the reasons for doing Kung Fu? And is it acceptable or accepted in your society?
Actually, Kung Fu is not against harming others, right? Kung Fu is acceptable because we as a nun, one day we have to, actually, Kung Fu itself is defending ourselves. Kung Fu is not because to harm others, or it's not kind of, because in many centuries back, people or monks also learn Kung Fu because of protect themselves. Because one day we have to stay in a retreat. Who knows, right? If somebody come and attack us, then we should defend ourselves. Defending ourselves is not against something, right? So whatever we do, learning Kung Fu or any kind of social work, that is not against something. Actually, before we as a Kung Fu nun, we have many nuns are here, and slowly we started learning Kung Fu because of protecting ourselves and because of if we physically and mentally strong, we can help others. So that's why we learn Kung Fu. Kung Fu is, most of the people ask me that learning Kung Fu is against of, against of something bad. So that is not correct, I guess. And whatever we do, that is, our motivation is pure. So I think whatever we do, we are just fine. Even most of the people criticize, but one day they will come to know that whatever we do, there is a reason. If there's no reason, why we will waste our time in this learning Kung Fu and doing social work? There is a reason, so that's why we are learning and doing these things. Thank you.
Hello, first of all, I would like to say good morning to you. And my question is that how has Kung Fu made a difference in your life?
Kung Fu makes a big difference in our life, day-to-day life, because Kung Fu makes me strong, makes me confident, makes me physically and mentally strong. So I'm so thankful to the Kung Fu sports, I guess, so for coming in my life. Actually, I'm very thankful to my root guru because he's the one who give permission to learn Kung Fu. So Kung Fu is one of the biggest thing in my life that I changed my whole life, and I can now speak in front of lots of people. I build up lots of confidence, which I never build up in my childhood time. So I'm very thankful. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, well, I know you will have a lot of questions, but we are we are short of time, and they are here for the whole day. Thank you so much, Jigme Migbir Palmo and Sunme Jigme Tsering Chorul, for such brave work of yours, and thank you so much for being here on the stage. Ladakh is grooming itself in the field of higher education since last 2 years. His Holiness Gyalwang Drukpa and His Eminence Drukpa Thukse Rinpoche, with the support of prominent educationist Dr. Pramad Raj Sinha, have initiated a program and year-long fellowship in Ladakh, namely the Naropa Fellowship. The Naropa Fellowship is a one-year, fully residential, postgraduate academic program focused on creating and nurturing agents of change who will work towards fostering the ecosystem of entrepreneurship and growth while preserving the cultural heritage of Ladakh and Himalayan region. The driving purpose behind the Naropa Fellowship is the urgent need to not only retain local talent, but also develop entrepreneurial skills that can help foster a robust socio-economic environment in Ladakh and surrounding regions.
Kasata tini ijung bena karseluyang se digrim jik mimang langya skunla zigra phulen.
so much for this beautiful performance. Ladies and gentlemen, apologies for the glitch. The Naropa Fellowship is a one-year fully residential postgraduate academic program focused on creating and nurturing agents of change who will work towards fostering an ecosystem of entrepreneurship and growth while preserving the cultural heritage of Ladakh and the Himalayan region. The driving purpose behind the Naropa Fellowship is the urgent need to not only retain the local talent, but also develop entrepreneurial skills that can help foster a robust socio-economic environment in Ladakh and surrounding regions. And for that, we have a short presentation, and we'll be starting with the presentation.
So the Naropa Fellowship Program is a program that is very unique and also very required and needed today, and that's why it's so exciting. Our focus at the Naropa Fellowship is to create more leadership capacity to tackle some of the challenges of the entire Himalayan region with a specific focus on Ladakh as the region. This stems from a very special need and a very simple idea that good quality talent in some of the Himalayan regions tends to migrate to other parts of India for their higher studies and then never really comes back. And this has created a vicious cycle.
So Naropa Fellowship, we even though it's a very short time, 1 year, but we try to give them a quality education, provide them the best of best, and try to make not only about modern education, but then about how to live their life, how to talk, how to nowadays communication is very important, how to talk, how to live, how to eat, how to all these things, so which is very, very important.
So I was really excited when I got to know that Naropa Fellowship is happening in Ladakh, because first when I saw the course material that is going to happen in the fellowship, I was really excited in terms of whatever is happening, and then the faculty was one thing which really made me come for fellowship. And initially I was really, to be very honest, I was really skeptical, like this quality of education happening in Ladakh is something which never happened in.
The faculty that we learn from at the fellowship, they come from very diverse but very rich backgrounds, and they've had years of experience in India or outside, and I mean all of that experience coming together in the classroom, I think that really that is really the core of the essence of the fellowship in itself. People like Kenwin, like Sarah, like Joma, and even Amit Kumar, Saurabh Mittal in entrepreneurship, people from IIT, Mukesh Sood, Ankur, all of these faculties. There are so many I like the names that I'm getting some of, but all of these faculties that have taught us so far and will teach us in the future. It's just, even though we have a short interaction with them, what they bring in the class is so valuable, and so within a short time we learn so much from them.
So I came to Naropa, wanting to engage with young people who were looking to solve problems of Himalayan region. So in that respect, my journey has been very rewarding. This is the second batch of Naropa Fellows that I'm engaging with. And last year I came, and a number of those businesses came to Catalyst, and I've further mentored some of them, and I've kept up those relationships. So it's been interesting. I mean, I've learned a lot.
The Naropa Fellowship is looking for entrepreneurs who have brilliant ideas and who are eager to learn how to transform those ideas into reality. You should apply to the Naropa Fellowship and rely on the Naropa Center for Writing and Communication, because we will offer you tailored attention. We will help you with a checklist of fundamentals and basics to thrive in the workplace. We will help you transform your entrepreneurial spirit into something that will make a difference. But most importantly, you should apply to the Naropa Fellowship if you want to become a benchmark professional. And unless you are a good, successful, effective communicator, a speaker who gets heard and understood, a writer who gets listened to, and a public person who can be trusted, you will not succeed as a benchmark professional. That is why you should apply to the Naropa Fellowship. That is why you should rely on the Naropa Center for Writing and Communication.
So Naropa Impact Summit is planned as a big finale for the whole fellowship journey. You know, each fellow has been on an entrepreneurial journey based on their expertise, their strengths, and their passion, and they've come up with some great ventures. So it's a summit to bring together all that impact and showcase that impact to some, mentors, some angel investors, and see where can they take this journey beyond the fellowship. Because the whole essence of Naropa Fellowship is to build entrepreneurial leaders beyond the fellowship, right? That they go on and create impact in different regions, different areas that bring economic sustainability to the Himalayan region. Yeah, I think I just have, it's been an incredible journey. Just see them grow through this 1 year. It's not the easiest fellowship. It's not the easiest place to be in for a year, but they've managed to do some amazing things. And my only message to all the fellows would be, even beyond the fellowship, just believe in yourself and believe in the idea that you have. Because I think some of them are really onto something big. So don't let it go because the fellowship ends, but just believe, and there are enough people around you who will support your dream if you first believe in your own dream. So I just want to wish them really luck, and this is just the beginning. They'll always be part of the Naropa family.
And now I may request Gurmit and Stamba to take over the stage.
Hi. Good afternoon, everyone. As you might have seen, we are part of the program team at the Naropa Fellowship. And I think you might have understood most of what the Naropa Fellowship is. And we're here just to take some questions. But before we go to the questioning part, we just want to understand a little bit more, to make you understand a little bit more about the fellowship. The whole purpose of this fellowship is to create the Himalayan youths from job seekers to job creators. We want to control the brain drain that is happening across the Himalayan region. Because of lack of opportunities in terms of employment and education and everything, people have left their hometown and gone to other parts of the country, and because of lack of opportunities, they have not been able to come back. So we're trying to bridge that gap by introducing this fellowship to the people of the Himalayan region. And that is why we are here. And in this video, if you have any questions, if you have not understood anything, please feel free to ask any questions right now.
Changmala Jule Teneang Losomala Changma Tashi Delek. Tene Naropa Fellowship School 6 na Naropa Fellowship tezuk need chignang po tezuk lack chinang po bings tunokpa Ladakh sir nang baki Himalayan yuljong se jaga gunzer nang tewe nang kuwa experience tang exposure jar kambo ma lack charole ta Naropa Fellowship nang kuwa tezok miguni fe jaga nokpa kagunla entrepreneur gyurginot businessman gyurginot tionla experience nang exposure thoben tene jase ina LAP jar kan baki structure course ma bot kyakle ka nang kuwa Ladakh soks jaga chunna Ladakh soks distant jaga gunla philok ne lapkan mangpo yongste experience na exposure if ma azu kuskops mangpo kyakle tene yang ngela na tiva ina Naropa Fellowship School chika tiva nang ngela daksai ka ngaya tina diktonok man lang ngaya philo aka bude ka duksot kyak aka stall ka duksot kyak ngela te ka tia zadal
Hello, Julia, and good morning to everyone. So my first question is, how do you evaluate the various projects that you conduct or that are being done during the whole year?
Yeah, so when you apply to the Naropa Fellowship, our focus is to create entrepreneurs out of you when you come to the fellowship, right? We want you to come with ideas. So every one of us As we study wherever we are, as we grow up wherever we are, we encounter problems. So every one of us have an idea how to solve that problems in terms of agriculture, in terms of education, in terms of tourism. Like in every sector, you have ideas to solve the problem, to impact the region, to impact the society. So when you come to the fellowship, you come with that idea, right? So when you come to the fellowship, we refine your idea through all the faculty and the guests that we bring to the fellowship. So like I keep saying, if you are a talented footballer or a cricketer, for example, only your talent cannot make you become an international player, right? You need to be trained by the right coach in the right academy in order for you to reach your full potential. So likewise, even in entrepreneurship, you might have ideas that you want to implement. You might have ideas that you want to convert into business. You bring those ideas to the fellowship, you apply to the fellowship, you get accepted, you come to the fellowship, and then you work on these ideas. You refine them over the 1 year. You are mentored by real CEOs, real entrepreneurs, academicians, and you refine your idea. So by the time you graduate after your 1 year, your idea becomes a business, a living business. Your abstract idea becomes something real. And during this 1 year that you are at the fellowship, we will connect you with the network of mentors and network of entrepreneurs that we have in our circle who will help you and guide you throughout your 1 year. So for example, from last year's fellowship, we already have 14 business ideas that are working right now. Some of them are being incubated in different incubators across the country. Some of them are already registered organizations, registered companies. Some of them are working in agriculture, some in the waste management, some in education sector, some in the tourism field, some in food and beverage. So, all of these people are working there. In the second batch, right now we have 34 business ideas that they are working on. And then, so next year, if you apply, you come with an idea, and your idea could be one of this. And towards the end, when we show that Impact Summit video, that's where we bring CEOs, investors from across the country to Ladakh. They come and listen to your idea, they come and listen to your pitch, and if it has potential, then they invest in your idea, they give you money, they give you mentorship, so that you can scale your idea into something better and bigger. So that is how we mentor your business ideas. I hope that answers your question.
I think in addition to the video, I would like to speak a little bit about the academic structure of the fellowship. The academics are based on 4 pillars, which is entrepreneurship, society and culture, communication, and personal development. Now, we all know that the major focus is on entrepreneurship, but we believe that in order to be a successful entrepreneur, you have to have these communication skills, interpersonal skills, and you also need to know about the society and the culture that you're operating in. So with that focus, our academic structure is built around these 4 pillars, and all the courses that we offer at the Naropa Fellowship will fall under these 4 pillars. And then, in addition to the academics, we also have another very important element which we call the live action projects, or the LAP. So the LAP is a process in which you take an idea from scratch to a venture within this 1 year period of the fellowship. And then another important aspect is the internships, which we do in Delhi NCR region. So when you're part of the Naropa Fellowship, you also get to intern with one of the internship organizations that we showed in the video for a period of 2 months. What that does is it gives you exposure, and it helps you build connections in the professional world. So that is basically it. And then our admissions are already going on. It started from the 5th of December. And first round is over. We are starting with the second round soon. So if anyone is interested in applying, you should visit our website and start the application process. Like my colleague said, we have a booth outside. If you have any questions, you can come talk to us over there. Thank you.
Just before we close off, there are different types of scholarship. So if you are a Ladakhi, and if you apply, and if you get accepted, you will definitely get a full scholarship. So the scholarship is worth 10 lakhs, which means, of course, you will not get it in cash, but your 1 year study at the Naropa Fellowship will be completely funded. Your accommodation, your food, your tuition fee, your admission fee, your health insurance, everything will be taken care of, right? So you don't want to miss this opportunity. It's a fully funded program, fully funded scholarship program, but we have different categories of scholarship depending on your merit, application, and everything. But for Ladakhis, it will be a fully funded scholarship, so you will not have to pay anything. So please do not hesitate to apply. You have nothing to lose. If you have an idea that you think can change Ladakh, the Himalayan region, India, or the world at large, and if you want a proper environment to, make this dream come into reality, then Naropa Fellowship is the place to be. You will not be disappointed. You can come talk to us at our booth outside when you're free later. We will be there to answer all your queries, just in case if you are feeling a bit shy to ask questions right now.
Tene Warren tang stan bezer kane six kun ni ladak sanayang lampau shunjina zerna khongune academic structure beskola chapix lo kawen ko academic structure communication entrepreneurship society and culture nang personal growth ji ka focus shonokle kawen ko marik focus po communication nang entrepreneurship kat kya tate man pa LAP nang internship zer kan ma khak san charuk pang ngala za chosla experience nang exposure otona LAP nang ko ngata philo mi ong kan sangme otona ko experience sang ma shat ngata khone experience poi ka shadanokle te kan ngata philo ste Delhi chosla yongste ika internship zer nang experience fela shoches oto choste nang da sumifia pura paid otyak tene te man pa application tang jane Ladakh pa gone fia yongche chane lo enang ko I admission ba pura fully funded scholarship no tene baki changma kayang ajuk chapik yang criteria mangpo tyakle maga Ladakh pa gone fia you pura free jokse nokle scholarship nokle tene yang khong yang la box za chosla ngaya aka pidok chakpa ngaya aka bute ka duk sotyak suka da tiva na ngiran aka tivan kute akash ka da chate. Thank you, Lechule.
We, on behalf of the audience here, extend our sincere gratitude and feel privileged to have you here on this Losar celebration, His Eminence Drukpa Thukse Rinpoche. In 1986, on the 10th day of first lunar month, the second His Eminence Drukpa Thukse Rinpoche was born in Chushul, Ladakh, near the famed Pangong Lake. On 30th June 1988, when His Eminence Drukpa Thukse Rinpoche graduated from the Tango Buddhist University in Bhutan, where he studied for 9 years with a master's degree in philosophy. Since graduation, he had taken over the management and administration of Druk Sangak Choiling Monastery in Darjeeling. His Eminence is also the co-founder of Naropa Fellowship and also chaired the famed Druk White Lotus School, Ladakh, popularly known as the Rancho School.
Tene tang changma la sante inok ngithup jik rang Australia nakchale na skate ngan pa jik jungte inok kana khete nang semjan mangpo jik rang shok nang dalte nok tene ngaya Ladakh Sloptuk Welfare Society Delhi se Rinpoche skundun ika juste yotpe skaps la semjan gune semngit la jiva thupches nang thar pe lama dinche sefia marme muslim jik miman langyas la thida zatte juste Rinpoche skundun la jiwa in.
A series of bushfires, also known as the wildfire, are currently burning across Australia, predominantly in the southeast. It has taken billions of lives and choked almost every life on earth. On behalf of the Ladakh Student Welfare Society, Delhi, for the benefit of entire sentient beings, we would like to take this opportunity to request His Eminence Drukpa Thukse Rinpoche to lead a lamplight prayer along with the audience.
Tene diring Ladakh luptruk sokspa Dili tene tatiki shugan nangshin la tene Ladakh se losome tene losare gastun standel tene zetkoa skotbe gendun zunba da zunmal henges tena nangshin la Ladakh se ngatarai 지주고 쳐서 파말 행게스 라다세 미망 지진 충숨 데네 조 ngata라 제스페 마옹페 용체체니 데네 라다세 지주고 쳐서 파마저나 라다세 데네 게르간자나 리더저나 고티트자나 데네 룹초고네노 데네 창마라들이 이가스 곁간라 tukjichi tene nyampo tene nga yika tering nyejakone yong molken nangshinla tene yong tupse mana tatpo song teta nyampo tene tsabikshik gorjesla tene changma gongpasala zade juchesin tene taksa kongyo molken nangshinla nga tangi tering digrimbo tene marme malamchik ta nyampo tene gozug zad goshese tene kongye tene juwa jewa inchestuk tene diang tendak zo tene nyetubrang ngatara Australia la tene mana me jikpa ta ngatang changma zambuling inangkwa tene jungshi jungwanji environment kuryu global warming ale tene zamling satut tene chayan jikdang tene gengen mangpojik sai jikpa chui jikpa me jikpa loin jikpa zate sacho milong jikpa mangpojik dang dering yon jiktan yenok tene dipo tene zo jikne tene ngata mi jotpa ngata ra mimangkone mi re jotpa samba semket bo nyemba yokhane jakse jotpa nyemba gyurkhane jakse samba nyemba gyurkhane jakse tene oyi tene jijugo shesno skangen sangba yongsenok songbasang tene nyembang poje majua tene ngatang changme tene tiring ika tene diring digrim bo gozuk macho sangwala tiring ika zomkhan ngatang changma I jikdene kamana dukhanenok ngatang changma sa chu me lung la stand dukhanenok songbasang ngatang changma ina skitpo logos dewa logos Ladakh se losar gastun tia zetenok Ladakh se I lo soma bo ngatang skitpo logos dewa logos lo soma la tashik pa delek pa yongos na gato ngatang rang tene jijugo shen jotpa zang pa yongos shesenok ngatang samba zang pa yongos shesenok di yong na gato tene ngatang I lo soma bos gyala luche senok di mene jotpa nyenpa yotna tene samba nyenpa ta nyampo lo soma gyala luche spo khaspo no ale songpa sang tene rara soso lo dia tene tsering nemet tene tashis dele yongche dang matset be tene pama towa ritu simchen changma tene dewa diskit yongches dang nyampo tene dang nyeto rang tene ta simchen halam tene lag mangpo bum mangpo jik bumchak mangpo jik tene dang chongste tene nga ta dezuga nang khoa jijugo shesno na me jikpa tande tene sta changme kengken banok songpasan di changmala nga ta samay special bonang ngejarangi abadika chongste yodna ngejarangi ama me 60 yodna ngejarangi chugu me 60 yodna tene gazukjik chorcherak gazukjik tene ngejarang taksa ngejarangi nestang niluk gazukjiga yodro dang Australia dina ngeje chugu chongste yodna ngeja tiring nestang gazukjiga yodro ngere nama dika chongste yodna tiring ngeja nestang gazukji yodro dipu tuksam salte kong changma semchen yinang ta chugu yokyak jam jewa yokyak love and compassion each other yokyak connection yokyak tene di changma da tuk jewa ngatang ningji keste jak chigmena jak ji ngatang dizuk jiga situation nestang niluk jiga lep shishesenok lep milep shimenok songbasa ngatang changma jigdena dukan changma skyobo tongzanas goden dukjes jikbomenok rang soso ma jamshik chukbo yin samnang jamshi demo yin samnang jamshik tik yod samnang rang soso dizang toa 두지강 랑라소소 있나 내 로기가 랩 시체스도 랩 밀랩 시지만 메테도 디링가당 스케보드 알레 토링가당 상마 시시체스노 추이낭 처음 이제 이죽차 시체스노 메낭 잡 시체스노 송바상 디상마 올라 이죽 차간 상마라 딕바레 삼페 가당 상메 데니 제와당 닝지 톡네 데니 이 추스직 보면은 직대네 톡네 있는 가당이 데니 콩 상마라 데니 지주고 셰스노 다 심세르 세미 데니 체카 셰어 주스데 데니 상마라 또 닝지 잠바당 냠보 데니 콩코네 피아 마르메 멜람직 송아자 진지 도알레 데니 디보 마르메 멜람보 다 상마 니자 상마라 스카치글라 스페샤 남스테 요트로 상마라 스페샤 요트로 메트로 데니 맨낭 스케트 민둑 데니 상메 독문 살라잖아 삼바니스 독문 살라 딕스테노 데니 마니 숭나 딕스테노 알레 데니 멘칸 스페샤 남세 요칸 상메 데니 스페샤 남세 돈파 스냠포토 나자체신 데니 도르두스 당나 이심첸 상마라 데니 종간 상마 인낭 데니 세미라 대와톱데 치마 데니 디주그스 갱년낭 용 미주식당 데니 닥사 데니 스콩의 양 지주고셔서 루근 심첸 왕포 루스티짱 디 상마 인낭 데니 나스바토 동엘네 데니 교스바네 교스바 델죽제이 삼베 마탄 상메 동문 살렌할레 데다 냠포 마르메 멜람보토닌 고마 데니 마남 지고르지 상마 냠보스토나자 마나마양 간다이 냠베 심진 담진 라마사인제 준진군라 스완데 소마 나마양 간다이 냠베 심진 담진 라마 론제 좀뱅고라 스완데 소마 나마양 칸다이 냠베 심진 담짐 라마 돈제 좀뱅고라 스완데 소마 나마양 칸다이 냠베 심진 담짐 라마 사인제 림보체라 스완데베 소 라마야마 카마 고메 아홍 마르게네데 조조리에 앙코르반 코리오 잠도인 교체 마르고인디에 조조 신부 잠도인 교체 동보인디에 리예보 리라반 잠도인 교체 마르멘디에 심진 담제인게 마르임베 멤버에세 이신ген 철면 교로인지 마르멘디 위소인 키완라인된 최담제 동신 담메바 주예 이신gen 된다 교로인지 마르멘디 샤르도인 키완라인된 최담제 셀라인된 제메바 멜롱한담 이신gen 된동바라인 교로인지 마르멘디 로로인 키완라인된 최담제 상예 최종원 매바 냠바니 이신gen 된동바 교로인지 마르멘디 눕도인 키완라인된 최담제 지당 랑예 체nye 마제바세와 소소연 도베 이신gen 된동바라인 교로인지 마르멘디에 장도인 키완람 최담제 자즈 매바 자왈린지 이신gen 된동바라인 교로인지 마르멘디에 현감만 담제 캡제 셀와인 교로인지 대다라인 교로발라인 데네 심젠 탐제 마리베 멤바 상제 이신게 나와 총면도 Changwai Juroi Chi Hongoi Chunyang Kondo Sangbu Gongbo Roi Jimmy Changshubo Simji Margu Chimmy Tablai Kibi Dongbo So Yishi Vedong Barve Marminti Temo Mungamba Jumbe Sijin Chi Dusoyen Dinsinyon Kosoyen Tojim Semje Besha Yishe Rana Inde Meloy Dabu Yishe Sewoy Yishe Vedon Barve Marmende Sanje Shishu Zanyi Shindun Dozo Shishu Zanyi Neda Ne Sanje Shinshu Shindun Jewaram Yeshe Vedon Bave Marmende Chando Ngajo Sanje Shindum Dozo Ngajo Sanje Neda Ne Chando Ngajo Shindum Jewarai Yeshe Vedon Bave Marmende Jewayan Tamba Rige Shin Tasoy dozoy geve ne dae ne tamba rigi shinde gewaray Yeshe vedon barve marmende choju dusumoy sanje shindoy Tasoy dozo malu ne dae ne choju sanje shindoy gewam Zhove mami yishe zhenmen de bema gunbai jewe shindun Tazo yishe nawa lame wa me lama zhubara shu hongoye dongsumo de yan shenda na lanze sangbe marmin Niende we me zhangdan ne rangse ribe zendang Jingo lazo en tukdamanga kongyoro wanda en ron Tazo en korve semje na marmi diye sunam Mari mumba sewa sho yishe chenda en demba Sheraba zega en jeba sho chenda en peche en demba Nyamja en tamje en kongyo en je dojwa tamje changyo Lenye DJ and Tanju and She and Kamsumon Korowa and Tonjuron Jebo Kanjo Wandang on Jobo Yamao Gonza Sanje Nawa and Taye and Taye Yeso and Sho and Tushin Shimbo Tang Yundo Simba and Tushi and Tonam Lai Sanje Shanse and Pame and Koranji Deje Ngoza Bando Mebaye Dewa Shishin Shawe Shingam Dim Sende Dene Sebe Yuma Tai Jewa Shinji Ambama Chubaru Dejo Jene Nande Shedon Shon Deje Danje Mela Tabandim Chojo Sanje Chanse Tamje Jime Drubara Chinje Lam Deya Tayan Benze Jeya Awaham Buddha na Yeso Hai Chode Jewa Seje Angoya Sonye Solai Chi Rang Da She Du Soi Je Sang Bai Kunjo Sum Lai She Bai Geve Temba Be Joi Chi Jewa Sim Che Angkon Lang Zhonggai Sangye Tom Jun Xin Yen Zai Tam Jin Jin Dun Dim Tsende Yun Lai Min Jun Jin Jim Nian Tang Nian Song Song Jim Tse Rin Ni Min Nyam Don Ben Tsende Re San Juru Nen Juru Jim Nam Xin Tse Ben Jum Mang Dewa Jindo Jinjuru Shi Yene Pema Kanshe De Luden De La Sanje Shu Chanjo yan tom den chi sen tu yan tu bin zho wa Demba shu yan de wa yan xin ji xin ga ma na yan san ji yu ba me ba shu Ma la yan ta bi chu sa yi xin ju yan de ru yan ji wa ra shu yan chang bi yan ba wa yan ji da ra yan jian ba yan dan kun du yan sang bo yan de ya yan de kun ji xin su yan tang lo yan jin ji wa yan de dan tam shi rab du yan ngo yan de su yan shi bin ji wa yan tam shi yan ji ngo wa yan kang la yan shung du nga wa Dan xin jie wei zang wa yan de gu yan jiang sang bu yan xun xi ngo wa ra yan ji chang shu yan sem shu ren bu yan xi ma ji yan pan Jie ba yan nyam ba yan me ba yan gong de yan gong du yan pe wa ra shu sun na ma de ye yan tam shi yan sing wa yan ye yan tam de yan ye be yan zhang na yan pam ji Jian ga yan na qi yang bang long yan chu ba yan si bi yan so lian zhe nan zhe wo rai shu. Tu xi qi mi mang cang ma dong. Ika ladak spa nga tang men kan de yagar pa dang teni ladak spa men kan yang kong mang po juk se tuwa teni kong kashi ge foreign students ka sa. Kong pia zik shi ha yang kashi ge ha ma go yin je du sa ba la song pa sa ni English na ta chi ngon la yukan pa zik chi jus dang da ka to. We have just done a short prayer, especially dedicated for those unfortunately those who are being killed in such a mass, what do you call it, fire in the Australia, which was recently happened, which everybody knows about that. So it is something very sad and very unfortunate for them and of course for all of us. And it's also we should take this as a lesson for all of us who have gathered here today, not only just listening to the, listening to the news and just watching it. We should learn a lot of things from that. That in this 21st century, what's happening nowadays in the world, there are so many, all this kind of environment issues. An example like disasters, like a flood, and earthquake, and and also this fire everywhere. All this such a disasters, which some of the disasters which we have not even heard about it, and it's happening quite constantly nowadays, quite frequently. So we all, as a being a part of this planet, we should feel it, and we should be able to share the pains. An example, like I was just telling them that what will your situation will be today if your mother or your wife or your husband or your children have died in that recent fire in Australia. What will your situation will be today? Will you be just sitting and comfortably? No. You must be crying, you will be, disappointed, you might almost in the situation to kill yourself if your loved ones have died in that situation. So we all should understand each other's pain, and we should be, it's not all about religion, it's not all about spiritual point of view. It's as a being a human, as a member of, as a part of this planet, we should able to share our love. We should able to understand each other's pain, and also, especially, as a being a human, we should be, we should be very careful now. It's a big lesson for all of us. So we should be very careful in what we eat, how we live. It's all disastrous. We call it natural disasters, right? But I never believe on natural disasters. People say that's natural disasters. In news they say it's a natural disasters. But there's nothing natural disasters. It's all a human-made disasters. All the disasters happening in this world are human-made disasters. There's nothing natural disasters. Naturally, everything is so beautiful, so nice. The planet is so beautiful. Now we human people are making, it's a human-made disaster. Nothing is natural disaster. So this recent disaster is also a human-made disaster. We have so much of buildings, so much of cars, so much of pollutions. We have cut so much of trees. We waste so much of water. And now the global warming. Then from there, all the fire starts. So this is what it is. So we should understand this is human-made disaster. So this is our fault, and we never know. Today we are comfortable, but then tomorrow or soon or later, we may also get into this kind of situation, this kind of disasters. There's no guarantee. So we should always be very careful what we eat, what we drink, what we speak, what we wear, what we talk, where we go, how we live. Is very important that we should, be careful, I will say. So this short prayer is dedicated for all those who have died in this recent disaster. And we all pray for their, smooth journey or whatever you say, and wish them pray for a better life in the future. And also today, as we are going to celebrate the Ladakhi Losar, and at the same time with this we pray, we dedicate this, with this prayer we dedicate on our own to have a good year, and with lots of joy and happiness, and most important with understanding. This is very important, and that's all. So I don't want to take much of your time. So I just, because I think I already said in Ladakhi language, but then I think some of you may not understand, so I had to translate myself. So thank you very much for, joining for this short prayer. Thank you.
Zanskar zera chik tanga tang changma la khenken painok mar tara churpe thokne chukpo mimang skun chosem chan kasalangyas Zanskar Union Jamui Choksne ika skucheshik pulazache in.
To Tashi Shigula Sixtendeldi. Oh, Tashi Shigula Sixtendeldi. Tashi Shigula Sixtendeldi. Tashi Skit Betuzla Gavis Tendelrina. Tashi Skit Betuzla Gavis Tendelrina. Gagas Kit Bonyampo. Gagas Kit Bonyampo. Samala Samala Samaga Sujui. Gagas Kit Bonyampo. Samaga Sujui. Tashi Shigula Sixtendeldi. Tashi Shigula Sixtendeldi. Tashi Shigula Sixtendeldi. Tashi Shigula Sixtendeldi. Tashi's kada namste no sarlaga sujuna mangyulmi mastama skito yung esmola. Tashi's kada namste no sarlaga sujuna mangyulmi mastama skito yung vemola.
Dear guests, we will now be serving the lunch. You may proceed to the lunch area and enjoy your meal. And don't forget to come back because we have got a lot of more exciting performances. Come back.
Mimang langyas ta istinit sangme fia donta italdi godle sangma kulia skyo dazat.